Hey, I wanted to share one quick tip for other instructors who do sort of a flipped classroom. Most of my classes I run as sort of a flipped class. So let me show you kind of what this is. One of my classes that I'm teaching right now, Communication and Social Networks. This is the upcoming week. And so I will have students, do some readings. I also have a network video. Shout out to Quarto for the design of this, and Andrew Heiss as well for some things I stole from him. But I have slides, I have the network video, so it's expected that students will have watched the video, done the readings, and come to class ready to discuss. And then we spend most of the class time discussing confusions, talking, hopefully doing some kind of activity, and then talking about like how these things apply, which things we're confused about, etc. One problem is that, people don't always do the readings. They don't always come prepared. Initially, I thought that sort of the social pressure of knowing you might be called on would help. I also do a random cold caller, which maybe I'll talk about in another video. And I thought that maybe this sort of social pressure would be enough. But I've learned, a couple of things. One is that it's not always enough. That the one way that that's worked out really well, something I just kind of came up with and tried to increase engagement with the class materials, is what I call 3-2-1 assignments. I call it reading review assignments in this document, but let me show you what it means. So here, I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see this. In order to provide some accountability and space for reflection each week, you'll do assignments and then have this 3-to-1 assignment. It's pretty low stakes, but folks write down 3 concepts that they learned or connections they made from this week's reading and lecture, 2 questions or things they don't quite understand, and 1 thing that they think would make for a good discussion question. And this could come from either of the 3 concepts or the 2 questions, or it could be totally new. And then they submit that on Brightspace a day before the lecture. This both encourages participation, but also gives me some great stuff to talk about. Gives me visibility into the things that people are confused about, the things that they understand, like the insights that they have that I want to pull out and draw out in our conversation. It's been really helpful and really useful. So that's my quick tip. I hope it's helpful to other people. Thanks.